Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the cave. On today's episode, you're going to get to watch me make a disaster out of learning how to weld. But I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've been putting it off. I guess probably just nervousness. And my puppy's down here. I'm not. But anyway, come on. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Come on. You're not going to be able to be in here anyway. So anyway, I'm going to get started, and I'm going to go through everything that I'm doing that I've learned on YouTube and see if I can make a total disaster out of everything or actually learn how to weld. So stick with me. We'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing I learned was tungsten tip. I got a big glob, so I got to clean this off and put a taper on it. So, boy, I sound like I know what I'm doing. I ain't got a clue. Not bad, I guess. Now, remember guys, it's the very first time I'll ever pull the trigger on a welder. Well, not the first time, but let's see. I got my test plate here, and I'm gonna you guys are starting to get to know me. I'm really not that prepared to do anything. But I was watching Eastwood videos, and they were kind of explaining how to TIG and set up this machine. So everything right now is set except for putting our tungsten in. Do that right now. Okay, so take this old roll off the back, slip this through. Keep it this way. So yeah, so I can puddle up and go that way. So, like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is me trying to TIG weld for the very, very first time. So I know I'm going to get beat up in the comments, and that's okay, because that's how you learn, right? So let's get all this, turn the machine on. You can see I'm so used to doing this. Get this situated a little better. Not really used to wearing a cap while I'm doing that, but so I'm using my glasses because I'm blind. So I'm hoping that my readers will help me see a little bit better when I go to do this. So I guess no better time than the present. See what I can do here. Okay. I don't know, I probably got, I don't know what I got going on there. Let's do another one. I think we're at a little bit over 80. So, I think more nervousness than anything right now. I'm getting this black soot. I want to see through here what I'm actually showing you. So I don't know, good, bad, or indifferent of what I'm getting here. So I know this plate is really hot in my hand right now. So let me get this out of my hand. I'll come right back. Okay, well, after a little investigative work and talking to some of my friends that actually know how to weld, I got a gas lens for this, which I already put in the tip, and I noticed that my flap disc was worn out, so it wasn't cleaning the metal real good, and I went to a thinner metal. So we are going to try this again. Turn on some gas, and we're going to try to do a little more welding here. See if I can make a more of a disaster. Understand it doesn't clean this really well. Just weld this to the table. Hey guys, well, I found out a few things about myself. The trigger on the gun itself is definitely not the way to go, at least for me. I'm using the foot pedal, and I'm just kind of getting the mechanics of it now. So I'm not even going to use fill rod because I'm still not, I guess I don't have the mechanics of it enough. You know, I can seem to lay a decent bead. I don't know if you can see that here, but if I use the fill rod, then I'm all over the place. So I think I just need to be more comfortable with this here. So I'll give it a couple more rips and see what we see how bad we screw this up again. But I think we're getting it. So I'm just, you know, obviously doing short stuff, but we're getting a little bit better, I guess. At least I'm getting more practice. But that's actually what I'm going to do. And let's see. Let's play another one. I don't understand, though, if anybody can explain to me. Let me do another one, and I'll show you this this brown stuff that I want to know about. Okay, here's what I'm trying to show you. So, if you look at this furthest one here, you see that brown around it? I get that on all these. I've actually cleaned all these welds to look at them. These are the last. This is no fill rod. This is just me practicing. So these are this is everything else that I've been doing here. I guess they say practice, 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 but I'm starting to get it seems like I'm starting to get the mechanics down a little bit. I'll just keep practicing. That's all I can do. You guys got any suggestions? Please leave them in the comments, because I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos and trying to learn. I really am. It's just something a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm getting more comfortable. I'm not trying to introduce the fill rod at all. I'm just thinking that if I just try to learn how to do this here, I think I'm better off. I got a plate here. I want to start with the thinner metal too, but I'm going to cut that up and make smaller pieces, make them like coupons. I actually ordered some coupons. So, but anyway, so that's what's happening there. So from TIG Central in the cave, I want you guys ignore all this and don't learn anything from me, because I don't know anything, but I'm trying. Like I said, this is the last of what I did. If I take this one here, this is the last one I just did here, and I don't know, good, bad, or indifferent, but maybe you guys can tell me. It's alright. Until the next one, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.